It's undeniable. The system, the whole system, it's corrupted. And no, a mere patch-up won't fix it. We're talking about a complete overhaul, a restructuring of our way of life, not just here in the United States, but globally. This isn't about creating a new government. It's about reimagining life beyond our current understandings. We've been conditioned to believe that we need this higher entity to protect us, to provide for us. But what if we could live differently? How do we start? Unity. It won't be instantaneous, but over time, by accepting who we are, by helping those around us, by taking only what we need, we can turn this world around. Wars aren't started by people, they're started by governments. Governments that manipulate us to pick sides, that use mainstream media to shape our beliefs. But remember, their power exists only because we allow it. It's an illusion that we need them. Imagine a world where humanity is self-sufficient, united. That alone could solve many of our current problems. So let's ponder and let's unite. The possibilities are endless.